What's up guys, so we're gonna get right into this Get Ready With Me. First, you're gonna spray your face and prime it. Brows done. Chapstick on. Then on to priming your eyelids. Start with those two first colors back in my row 1, number 2, and 4, and place that in your crease and up to your brow. Next, you're going to take Mongol and Pink Fleet, rows 2 and 3, numbers 3 and 4, and blend that in your outer crease and your inner corner, and try and leave the middle open. Take the leftover shadow and build a bridge between the two at the top, a little bit above your crease. After that, take Fast Lane, row 5, number 6, and blend that in your outer corner and your inner corner. Try not to go above the pink. Only use just a little bit of black. And repeat the same process on the other eye. You're going to go in with Pink Fleet and Mongol again and keep blending it out and intensifying the color. You're going to be switching back and forth between the two brushes that you had used previously to apply that lighter pink color and apply the darker pink color, and go back and forth and keep blending them out. Once you're satisfied with that blending, you're going to go in with 2 that shimmery shade, row 1, number 3, and pack that in the center of your lid. I like using a brush at first, but then I realized that it was better to just use my finger. As you can see, I just went in and re-added some of the color that I lost. And that's the eyeshadow. Next is eyeliner. Start with the bar above your eyelid. Then extend the wing up to your eyebrow, and then connect the dots. I don't know if you can see it that well, but for hooded eyes, it's better to make more of a diamond shape at the end rather than just connecting the dots straight across. You don't have to do this, but it just makes it easier for me because then it doesn't just disappear into my crease. I don't tend to usually wear lashes, but when I dress up or go on a date, I like to try and wear lashes, as long as they work out the first time. This glue does really make it easier for me though, because it just stays put. Which is also the downside of it, because if you don't do it right the first time, it tends to stick a little too well.
I just stole my music. Hey little boy, bring my phone back!
Once the top part of our eyes are done, I'm going to go in with the Born This Way foundation in Sand and blend it out with my Beauty Blender. As we're coming into the winter months, I tend to get a little bit lighter, so I have to go down a shade in foundation, and this is the one that I like to use in the winter time. Apply your concealer underneath your eyes, your nose, your forehead, and your chin. Take your translucent powder and bake wherever you applied your concealer. And then bronze your cheeks and your temples and then wipe away the powder. Once that's done, you're going to work on your under eye. Start with the lighter pinks to blend out the darker pinks. Take Mongol and Peak Fleet and dust it under your eye. Then you're going to take your black pencil eyeliner and line your bottom lash line. After that, take flat line and apply it underneath your lash line. And your eyes are done. After you're done with that, you're going to highlight your face. Next, on to lips. I'm using two different lipsticks this time. I'm going in with my black lipstick Uninvited and Razzle the Everlasting Glimmer lipstick from Kat Von D. And then take a brush and blend the two together. And this completes the look. Next is on to hair. I was going to straighten it, but I decided not to since I have to re-dye it. So I just brushed it out.
Say hi.
Hi. How are
I'm good.
you? Good.
What are you doing, Toes?
Mom.
Oh, thank you. Wow.
Clean.
Thank you. Yeah. Right here.
No. Chill.
Oh, really nice. There.
Toes. Yeah. My turn.
number you have dialed has been changed.